Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Hello everyone, welcome to our Crochet tutorial. Today we are making these lovely baby pink gloves. They are perfect for keeping little hands warm and stylish. Let's start with our materials. Baby pink yarn and a crochet hook. First, make a slip knot and chain 30 stitches for the wristband. Join the ends to form a circle, then single crochet around. Repeat the single crochet rows until the wristband fits snugly. Now we shall start on the hand section. Chain up and single crochet around for a few rows. Then we shall create the thumb opening by skipping stitches. Continue crocheting until the hand section is long enough. Next, we shall shape the fingers by decreasing stitches. Follow the pattern to create each finger. Make sure to leave openings for the fingers. Now let's add some cute ribbing to the wristband. Single crochet around the edge to create a ribbed look. Repeat for a few rows to make it stretchy. Once you are happy with the length, fasten off. Now it's time to weave in any loose ends. Trim the yarn to tidy up the gloves. And there you have it, a beautiful pair of baby pink gloves. They are soft, cozy and perfect for chilly days. Feel free to customize the size and color to your liking. These gloves also make a thoughtful handmade gift. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced crocheter, you can easily make these gloves. Practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to try. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more crochet inspiration. We had loved to see your creations, so tag us on social media. Thanks for crocheting along with us today. Happy crocheting, and until next time, bye for now. Thanks for watching.